Last night I dreamed of chickens. Ready? Go!
Ito.
We were pecking.
They were begging at my feet. They were laughing at my head. They were ruffling up their feathers as they raced around my bed.
Kaya ka na, huwag ka na umiyak na. Lakas na. Lakas na. There were chickens. Lakas. Malakas ang action. When I go.
When I awoke today, I noticed there are some sort of
1, 2, 3, go. Last night.